How to clean your shark vacuum cleaner hose and make it smell lovely again. If you've cleaned your filters, your bin and your floor tool and your shark is still a bit smelly, this could be the video for you. But be warned, if your handle on your shark has got a power button or a speed control button for the floor brush, please do not follow this video. It has electronic parts running through it from top to bottom and you will damage your hose. If you have one of the models without electronics though, like this one, please don't worry, everything is fine and we're gonna get your hose looking and smelling amazing. Our first step is to run a hot bath with loads of soapy water in it. Washing up liquid, laundry detergent or carpet shampoo are all good options because they contain enzymes that are going to break down the dirt. Once you have enough water in the bath, we're just going to put the hose in and we're going to stretch it out so all the water gets in all the crevices in the hose, and then we're just going to simply leave it for at least 30 minutes. Once your hose has had a 30-minute soak, it's time to get your hands on something like this. This is a radiator brush, nice and long and thin, and it only cost me £1 from a local hardware store. So we're going to put this down each end of the hose so we cover the entire thing, and we're going to try and stretch it a bit too and get in all the crevices that are inside the hose. We don't want to leave any dirt in there. Once you've scrubbed it for a few minutes, we need to rinse it with some clear water. Fill up the hose, put your hand over each end and give it a good shake and concertina action. A bit like a Donald Trump kind of thing. Once it's rinsed, we need to shake out any water and we need to get this dry as quickly as possible. If this takes hours to dry, it's going to start smelling a little bit fusty. The best thing to do, if it's a nice, dry, warm day, is to hang it on the washing line. Stretch it if you can so the water doesn't get caught up in those ridges inside. If it's not warm outside, you can stretch it over the top of a radiator, or you could even give it a head start with a hairdryer. Once the hose is nearly dry, I get some neat disinfectant spray and I'm just going to blast some down each end. Then leave it to dry thoroughly. Now your hose should be smelling amazing and it's time to put it back on your vacuum cleaner. Please make sure it is fully dry before you do this. I do apologise again to those of you with an electronic hose. Please don't be mad at me. I didn't design it. I just don't want anyone breaking anything. So please understand that from my point of view. If this video has got you in the mood for cleaning more things, this next one is showing you how to clean the floor tool on your Shark vacuum cleaner.